How to redeem Xbox gift card. I'm going to show you how it's done. So from here, from the dashboard, press the Xbox home button. This will open up a side menu. At the bottom of the screen here, you have a quick menu. You need to go down to the bottom and then go to store. Select and open the store. Once inside of the Xbox store, there will be this side menu, which you can see here. If this isn't open from the main screen, just move over to the left. This will open a side menu. This side menu, you need to scroll down to where it reads redeem. Open redeem. This is where you will need to enter the code from your gift card. First, turn your Xbox gift card over. This will reveal a grey strip. You will need to scratch or peel the grey strip. For me, it was a scratch. If you need to scratch, I advise that you use something blunt and not sharp. Think something with a hard edge that will not damage the card. Once done, this will reveal your Xbox gift card code. Once you have your code revealed on the back of your Xbox gift card, enter that in this space right here. I'm going to do mine now. Z. When you've successfully entered this code, it will then redeem on your Xbox console. Make sure you're on the correct profile that you want to use this amount with. Success, your Microsoft account balance has been updated. So now I can use the amount of £10 on anything that I want to purchase on Xbox. If you found this helpful or you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.